Seeing is believing, and here I am. I still cannot believe my eyes as I stare at the humongous gates and the alert uniformed guards. This is far more than what I'd seen on television, newspapers, or hoardings. Follow me as I take you through the captivating journey of Amity University. On my left, I see a huge ground that plays host to a number of aspiring players who sweat it out for a promising tomorrow. And now I'm standing in the middle of a very impressive foyer of the F2 block, a creative hub for art exhibitions and several other activities. This is the F2 auditorium. I just love the vibrant color. The seating capacity here is almost 500, and it has witnessed thousands of magnanimous shows, programs, and conferences. A lot of knowledge sharing takes place in these MTP rooms and seminar halls. Representatives from various foreign universities frequently hold presentations and workshops here. The washrooms are clean and hygienic. I would give it a 5-star rating. I am tempted to take the lift and see what is upstairs. With no borders or boundaries, Amity reaches out to thousands of international students with our e-learning and Pan-African programs. The red brick buildings have an inviting aura about them. These buildings symbolize harmony, unity, and discipline. And I can tell you that these bricks have witnessed several success stories. And now let me turn around and move towards the E block, the corridors of power. Well, this is the block that hosts most of the policy makers and visionaries of the university. This building also hosts the Amity Incubator, which fosters and supports new ideas, projects, and patents. Amity is with you today and tomorrow. Surrounded by beautiful flowers and greenery, there is a helipad right in the center of the campus. Right across is a central library. Wait a second, is this whole building a library? Let me go and have a look. Oh my god, just look at this. This is world class. Let's see what all it has to offer to its students. Look at the facilities. To study online, innumerable books, sitting expanse. And don't miss this amazing coffee shop within the premises. Coffee in one hand and a good book in another. Learning is surely going to be fun now. Moving forward, I'll take you to one of the most amazing facilities of this university, the Asker Studio. This is Javen Block, which houses a complete state-of-the-art media production studio. And as if this was not enough, it has its very own community radio station at 107.8 FM. This is where your creative vision gets an edge. I'm now reaching the hostel block. S block, as they call it, a proverbial home away from home. It has a reception, parents' lounge, comfortable air-conditioned rooms, and a cafeteria. We move to an open expanse down these steps, and look what we have, a whole market of sorts, a Subway, CCD, Texans, Domino's and whatnot. There is an Amity store to take your college pride with you. No wonder we call it the Amity Universe. The lush green gardens and picturesque view provide a perfect environment for a pleasant stay at Amity. fully equipped clinic in the campus caters to all your medical requirements, and for all your financial needs, we have banking facilities as well. With solar panels all across, Amity stands out as an eco-friendly campus. You also have a fine dining option at the Wall Street, which is a place of celebration for students, faculty, and almost everyone shares their moments of joy at this place at some point in time. I am a foodie, but I'm also health conscious. And see what they have: Persona, the fitness center, or more popularly called the gym. They also have yoga options for those who aspire for overall well-being. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We have Arcadia, a place with a bowling alley, air hockey, various gizmos and food options. With all this, Amity is pure fun. Champions are not born, but they are made on the grounds of hard work. Swimming pool, squash court, basketball court, and a world-class shooting range. I mean, just name it, and it's here. And the moment I turn around, I see this larger-than-life poster of our founder-president, Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan, the man who built the Amity University with a global vision. And I'm told that there are many other campuses like this in other countries, not just here in India. I salute you, sir. This place is totally safe with AFC gates, 24/7 guards, marshals patrolling constantly to maintain discipline. What a place to study in. The admission process at Amity is perfectly streamlined. With forms and results available online, the complete process is extremely simple. So friends, what are you waiting for? See you at Amity.